Shut up and sit down.
10 lines on unity in diversity for students and children in English. Set 1. 10 lines on unity in diversity for kids. Number 1. Unity means the condition of being together for reasons unknown or cause. Number 2. Moreover, unity's idea is a useful asset for accomplishing shared objectives and goals throughout everyday life. Number 3. Unity unites individuals in the public eye, family, and country for the usual reason or objective. Number 4. People in the joint family or joint family appreciate calm life as duties get shared. Number 5. However, the idea of unity is fundamental for saving an establishment, culture, or country. Number 6. Unity advances harmony and concordance among various strict networks. Number 7. Unity among the individual saves the general public from violations, debasement, and cataclysms. Number 8. Moreover, unity's motion ensures India's honesty by conjuring the sensation of unity among its residents. Number 9. The more severe issues in the public arena or country are not handled alone, and it requires the gathering of individuals. Number 10. India, as a country, is the best illustration of unity in diversity with different societies and customs, however, yet joined as one country. Set 2. 10 lines on unity in diversity for school children. Number 1. Unity reinforces the obligations of a relationship in an atomic or joint family. Number 2. Unity helps in developing and learning new aptitudes in a group. Number 3. It gives us the mental fortitude to battle treachery and disasters in the public eye. Number 4. Unity in exchange or trade helps the development of business. Number 5. India's battle for independence from the British standard is the best illustration of solidarity, of unity. Number 6. People who stay joined in a joint family framework with a more joyful life contrasted with individuals in the atomic one. Number 7. Unity generally prompts the financial advancement of the country at a quicker speed. Number 8. Corruption, income contrast, and ignorance can affect the unity among individuals, promoting division in the public arena. Number 9. The public authority and NGOs join to run numerous missions to battle ignorance, drug misuse, and the country's lack. Number 10. Unity in a politically stable nation will lessen the likelihood of gap and rule and help make a created country. Set 3. 10 lines on unity in diversity for higher class students. Number 1. Unity implies being together. Number 2. It implies aiding and supporting each other in unfavorable circumstances. Number 3. Staying joined is the way to building stable connections and a solid society. Number 4. Many adages have been composed to stress the significance of unity. Number 5. Humankind can live in harmony and agreement just if its unity remains. Number 6. The best illustration of the strength of unity is the Indian battle for freedom. Number 7. It is an important message that individuals should give to their kids. Number 8. Our joint family framework is the best illustration of the significance we append to being joined together. Number 9. Being in unity with one another helps us share contemplations and thoughts. This is very important to build up our psyches. Number 10. When we stay joined as a piece of society and are in good relations with others around us, we can look for direction from them on individual and expert issues.